Hey guys, here's another great product that was sent to me. This one is the Turbo Air Blaster. Never buy another can air, and to me, every person in a car, house needs to have something like this. So this one's the Air Blaster. It's a portable jet fan. I'm gonna open it up and show you, let you know what's inside. So there you go, nicely packaged. Comes with a nice storage bag, which is always nice. Of course, the manual. I'm gonna take everything out and show you one by one what it is. It's got some cleaning brushes. This is ideal for car detailing or cleaning. It's got the charging cable. It is USB charging. Comes with a little lanyard. Most devices got a little cleaning brush for vents and different things like that. Another small brush for getting in the crevices of small areas. It's got another attachment here. I'll talk about what that is. And a couple of more items. And here you go. And then the device itself, I'm gonna pull it out of here. And there it is. It's very nice size, not too big. I like these. These are very good for your computer. Keep your computer clean, keep the dust out of crevices, and also the vents in your vehicles and the crevices between the seats. Very, very nice. There's a charging port. You got to hold the power button to get it going. Show you like this. You can control the fan speed right here, low all the way up, depending on what you're trying to do. It might be a little too loud. Yeah, I like it right here. Let me lower it. There we go. I like this because you can see how much battery life you have. I've had others that it just shuts off on you. This is perfect. So you're gonna hold it, turn it to power it down. But I'm also gonna show you, it's got different attachments. Sometimes you need smaller, get in the little areas. Also, something I learned is you can actually use these as, you put it in the back and reverse it. And what you can do is deflate items like pools, stuff like that. Again, this kit right here is, to me, is perfect for auto detailing because you got all the little brushes and devices that you can get into the little the air vents and stuff like that. Again, this is, to me, is nice. The one I've been using is a little bigger than this. It does not have the lights to tell you how much battery life. It just shuts off on you, and it really stinks because I'll be in the middle of cleaning my computer and I gotta plug it up and move on to something else. So check it out. That's one of the things I really like. There really is not anything I do not like about this so far. The size is perfect. You can adjust how much pressure you need. It's simplified, very simple. And again, comes in a bag. You can put everything in the bag. You don't have parts all over the place. So make sure you check this out.